Guys, there we have a Lenovo Tab M10 Plus, and today I will show you how you can enable Incognito mode on the 3 most popular web browsers from the Play Store. So we will start from the Google Chrome. To open Incognito mode here, we have to open the web browser, and now click on this 3-dot icon. Now choose New Incognito tab. How you can see, we are now in the Incognito mode. Okay, now it's time for the Opera. In the Opera, just click here on this tab icon and switch to the private. Now it's time for Firefox. In the Firefox, we have to just click on this little Zorro mask. How you can see, we are now in Incognito mode and your secrets are safe. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.